about your audience in this way. What are the characteristics of these folks? Are they mostly older people, younger people, a mix? Is it mostly male? Is it mostly female? What are their ages? What shared experiences do you have with the people that are going to come in that room? Super important from a connection standpoint. What's their work life like? How much do you know about their work life? What's their personal life like? What's important to them? What are some of their goals? The folks that are going to be in your session, what are some of their goals? What are some of their concerns, especially at work? What are some of the things they worry about every single day and their daily challenges? And it's going to be different for the different folks in the room. Second, think about, what does your audience already know about the topic? You've got your big bucket of stuff. What do they already know? They're going in with some knowledge at some level. Be intentional. Think about, what do they already know? What's my baseline? What's my starting point? How do they feel about your topic? Luke, you brought up this idea of a controversial thing. That's important when you think about it. Some people may not be rah-rah about your topic, and there may be some controversy in certain topics or some misunderstandings. Where are they starting from? You got to think about that as you're preparing to learn more about your audience.